everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I wanted to dispel a misconception from some of my viewers, one specifically, ma'am, who thinks my house is never dirty. Well, it is. I do clean very often, but there are days when I'm not able to get as much done as I would like to do. I do a lot of weekend cleaning because I work during the week and the kids have taekwondo and I'm working out and we're just busy during the week. So for me, I have to do a lot of cleaning on the weekend. Today is Sunday, and so we're going to be doing what I call a 30-minute quick clean. I normally do a 15-minute quick clean, but I need 30 minutes today. It's not going to take me as long. The reason I'm not doing a power hour is because I do have the kids that are here to help. So while I'm working in one area, they're able to work in another area. With that being said, even if you're not the best housekeeper, you can always do 15 minutes of something. Fly Lady is all about 15 minutes a day in one area. The Home Organizational Challenge by Tony Hammersley is 7 days of 15 to 20 minutes here or there in a specific area for 14 weeks of your year. For me, I just take pockets of cleaning time where I can find them. So we've come home after church, we've had a snack, the kids and I have rested, and it is now time to do the stuff that I really didn't have to do before I left for church. My son was here this weekend and I had to do some things for him this morning. I was up cooking for him earlier this morning, something he didn't know how to make and that he was going to take back with him to his house, so I needed to do it for him. So therefore I didn't get several things done. So I'm going to do 30 minutes. I'm going to set the timer, but I wanted to show you my list before. So here's what we're going to be working on. We're going to take 30 minutes to do the kitchen counters and dishes. We have a rule in this house: put your dishes in the dishwasher when you're done with them, yet I have a sink full of dishes. Jackson's going to grab all of the trash because that's just an easy, quick thing he can do. We have 3 baskets full of laundry. Laundry is the bane of my existence at the moment, and it's because we're not finishing the process. Fly Lady talks about finishing the process. We get the clothes washed, we get them dried. We have just been having a difficult time getting them folded and put away. So the process is not getting done, so we have a lot of laundry. I have a hot spot in my bedroom. I cleaned out my purse yesterday. We had an emergency with one of my sisters, and I had to leave to go over with another one of my sisters. She drove and I had to catch a ride with her. So I was I had too much stuff in my purse and I just pulled everything out and threw it on my vanity, and so I really need to fix that problem. I'm going to make my bed. I did not have time to make my bed this morning. Normally, well, I try to make the bed if I can. It's not one of my favorite activities, but I'm going to do better. The bar area in the kitchen / living room just seems to be a catch-all sometimes. We have water bottles galore in this house, and then we're going to put Jackson on couches to vacuum the couches off because Grace jumps on them sometimes and there's dog hair, and then to fluff the pillows. Alana will be helping in any area. So this is what we're going to do for 30 minutes. I'm going to set my timer. Here's our timer. It's at 4:23. We're going to give ourselves 4:24. So we're going to set the timer for 30 minutes and we're going to start now. everybody, I am back and we are done. So in true and full disclosure, we did about 35 minutes on our timer because I was just not done at 30 minutes and I actually still didn't get through the entirety of my list. So let me show you what I did do. We did the kitchen, the counters, and the dishes. We got the trash. I just finished up the hot spot. I made my bed. We did the bar, the water bottles. Jackson did the couches and fluffed the pillows, which ma'am is now unfluffing. The only thing I did not get done, or we didn't get done, were the baskets of laundry, and we're getting ready to just work on that now. Knock it out and be done with laundry. So let me just show you the kitchen and the areas that we were going to tackle so that you can see. So we do not have any more dishes. We had stuff here. That's just water from where I had a towel laying there. So I pulled up the towel and the rest of the dishes that were there. We cleaned out the sink. This is just my cutting board drying, and I have a dish bucket that I use to put dishes in, and when nothing's in it, I wash it out and turn it over flat so that it can drain. And then here, of course, we had dishes here, so we put everything up there. Cleaned off this counter where the coffee station is. We did clean off the stove. This is chili that I did for a crock pot meal, and so we probably will have more chili for later. We had some for lunch. Cleaned off these counters as well. In the kitchen area, we had bottled waters all over the table, and we're team library. We will leave a library book anywhere that we stop. We don't mind. Praise God that they love to read. Here we have entertainment, where the sister's terrorizing the brother, and that is totally fine. Jackson did fluff the pillows, but ma'am came in here and unfluffed them. Jackson, will you fluff them back, please, to make sure they're put back? And then Jackson's book is there. So that was all we were doing in here. He vacuumed off the couches, and he's going to fix the pillows yet again because ma'am unfixes them quite often. Then in my bedroom, I was actually able to get the entire hot spot cleaned off. Most of it was just trash that was in my purse, and I did get the bed made. The only thing I didn't finish, or we didn't finish, was getting the laundry baskets done. So we are going to do those now, and we just want to thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like the 30-minute quick clean, or the half hour, power hour, whatever people are calling it these days, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, you know what? We liked what you did. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. We just want to thank you again so much for stopping by our channel. Till the next Power Half Hour. Bye.